This is how I caught a 1 to 15 RR total move on gold using nothing but volume delta. And this is the logic behind the strike. Most traders look at the price, we look at the why behind the move. As you can see my chart right here, I have a price chart right here and I have my delta chart right here, which is the volume delta chart. And you could see I already marked out my highs, I marked out my lows, I marked out my volume delta highs, I marked out my volume delta lows, I marked out the zone where the aggressive buyers are sitting and resting, and I also mark out the area of demand, which is also another zone where aggressive buyers are on the chart. But as we could see on the volume delta, we already tested this zone and respected it. But you could see on the price action here, the zone has not yet been tested, and which is telling us that this is a very strong confirmation that the bulls are still in control of this market. And we can also see another confirmation right here. We could see here we are printing a higher lows on the delta volume, and we could see on price around this zone we are printing a low wallow. So this is actually a very strong confirmation that our price is testing this level of demand, and I'm targeting this level. So this is what I'm expected to happen. Price tests this level around here and breakout to test this level to confirm and see if the buyers are going to be in control. So I'm actually trading the range right here, so you could see. So we delete this, and now we play to see what happens. I forecast my long position around here, my stop below this, and targeting a clean 9.75 RR. Okay, so now we see what price does. Okay, on the CVD tested the volume, and now we could see the breakout on the delta volume. Very, very nice. So this is the confirmation I've been waiting for. So you could see the breakout on the delta volume highs. You could see the breakout showing that the bulls are now fully in control. So maybe I'm looking to take an entry around this zone right here though. So let's see how it goes. All right, it's printing lows on the CVD. Okay, very nice. So I pause. I firstly mark out my highs here printed on the CVD, and secondly I mark out the lows here. I make it red quickly. So I want to see this leading delta volume break out here, and it gives me my confirmation of what entry I'm about to take. As the leading delta breaks out here, I'm expecting to see a retest around this zone. So this is what likely I'm expecting to happen in the market. I'm expecting a breakout, a retest on this level, and a breakout. So we see what happens for real, because as a sovereign trader, we don't gamble, we follow the lead of the market. So we play and see what happens. Okay, this is actually a market open move, I think so. Yes, 2310. So we're waiting for the CVD instruction. When the CVD speaks, I move. So let's see. Let's go. Oh, TP almost hit on the zone. Okay, now TP hit. Good. So now we look for another entry. This is my confirmation. Like I said, I'm waiting for what? A break and a retest on the CVD, the leading delta volume, and then I confirm my entry to the upside again. So this is already taking profit, 9.75 RR. Very nice. So now this is the play. It happens already. So I'm expecting to take a long here, but a very short one, and to zoom out to see clearly, I'm taking it on this level of demand around here. So my stop below this, and you can see on the CVD low, this is actually the low where I put my stop. The aggressive buyers are so aggressive on the market right now that we don't even expect it to come down anytime soon, but to test this first of all, this level. So I just target a very clean 5.05 risk to reward. Okay, our CVD gave us a confirmation already, printed a new higher lows here, sorry, and remember, a 5.86 RR is our goal. We already achieved this, 9.75 RR, and the 5.86 RR is the next goal, which we are currently on. So let's see the confirmation of the CVD. We can see it's still printing what? Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Okay, so you can see there is actually a very nice confirmation here on the CVD. We have this level right here, so we can see here on price we have this level right here, and you can see it's being tested. It's being tested. Let's spread out our order. Still aiming for the 5.86 RR. Risking 1%. I risked 1% here. I risked 1% here. When CVD speaks, I go in. Let's see, almost to TP. Good, good, good. 5.86 go, almost. We spread out our order again to confirm this entry. Boom, TP hit. Okay, very nice. Clear, clear, clear. This is a way to trade volume delta and price action. You should always remember, volume moves price. Price goes nowhere without volume. With volume confirmations, you can always get entries even in the range market, even in a trend market. Wherever you are, volume actually speaks.